Kenito, mi amore. I remember the first time I saw you, August 2010 sa TYK 211. Yeah, nasabi ko sa sarili ko, siya ba yung Kuya Ken? Mukhang nerd. Walang spark, walang kilig. Then the next time nagkita tayo, doon ako nakaramdam ng legit slow-mo. Okay? Na parang blurred yung paligid natin.
If only I know these lies make me feel alone. Funny how
After that day, our relationship grew from being schoolmates to orgmates, dance crewmates, friends, lovers, and then here we are. This day is not just 1 year preparation. This is 14 years in the making.
I wish it wasn't true, that it's not what it
Pero sabi nga, love is a choice. Even if there were a lot of reasons for me to leave, because it's not you, it's me. But sometimes it's you. Sabi nga, when a woman sticks with you when you are at your lowest, she really loves you.
I've seen how strong and passionate you are in everything that you do. Kahit anong mangyari, you give your all. And I love you even more for it. So, part sila ng event na to. Alam ko naman napapanood nyo to. Ganda ng seat niya sa taas. So, yun. enjoy. Tapos yung isa dito yung anak naman niya. So, pamangkin ko.
Payo ko lang sa kapatid ko, kakasal na siya. Para maging magandang
Mahaba. Memorable
I can't help but think about everything I've been through just to stand up here with you. I've been to hell and back, but if it means a life with you, well then I'd do it all again. 'Cause you're worth the wait, all of my dark, dim and lonely days. Every goodbye and heartbreak was pointing me home. I was just holding on, praying you'd be out there holding strong. Took me forever to find you, but finally forever's just 2 words away.
Uy, wala ako. Sapatos to. Pagpasensyahan mo tong gift ko. Happy wedding day. Happy anniversary, Valentine's. Kuripot talaga. Pinagsama-sama na lahat.
Happy birthday.
See you at hanggang Christmas. Ano to? 2025 na to? Ay po! Kala ko brief kasi kulang-kulang na yung brief ko eh.
Worth the wait, all of my dark, dim and lonely days. Every goodbye and heartbreak was pointing me home. I was just holding on.
I get to marry my best friend. Thank you for being my home, my queen, and my greatest blessing. Mahal na mahal kita always.
And baby, you're worth the wait.
Will you have Agatha to be your wedded wife, to live together according to the law of God in the holy state of matrimony? Will you love her, comfort her, honor and keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others just to keep yourself only to her so long as you both shall live?
I do, Father.
I was just holding on, praying you'd be out there holding strong. Took me forever
Mabait. Huwag losa.
Hindi naman.
Okay, lagi mag-aaway.
Oo nga, mamaya na ibang message.
Yun na lang.
Thank you, message daw.
Thank you for everything. Mwah.
Agatha, will you have Ken to be your wedded husband, to live together according to the law of God in the holy state of matrimony? Will you love him, comfort him, honor and keep him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, just to keep yourself only to him, so long as you both shall live?
Yes, Pastor.
But I can see the stars from America. I wonder, do you see them too? So open your eyes and see the way our horizon.
The last 14 years were never easy, pero memorable. We faced challenges na minsan akala natin hindi na natin kakayanin. We passed the 7-year itch, we grew and we conquered. Sa lahat ng yon, isa lang ang sigurado ako. Hindi ko kayang harapin ang buhay kung wala ka sa tabi ko.
These skies will bleed, but both of our hearts bleed. All of these stars will guide us on and on.
This morning, I woke up as Miss Agatha Joyce Aramburo. Tonight, I will sleep and wake up with you forever as Mrs. Agatha Joyce Aramburo. I love you.
I love you and will love you for 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, forever and ever. Kenito.
I can see the stars from America.